बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि एल्केन फैमिली के स्ट्रक्चर्स के बाद अगर हम एल्कीन फैमिली के स्ट्रक्चर्स पे फोकस करें तो ये स्ट्रक्चर्स किस तरह से बनेंगे, कैसे बनेंगे और इसमें हम मज़ीद किस किस फ्री हैंड इंफॉर्मेशन को इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। लेट मी स्टार्ट with the same concept which we discussed previously, that shape of molecule is described by the type of hybridization present in the molecule. Ethene, its chemical formula is C2H4. It belongs to alkene family. Every member of alkene family is sp2 hybridized. Students, you just capture this information that we are going to find hybrid orbital structure of ethene. We identified it as a member of alkene family, which tells you that carbon in ethene molecule will be sp2 hybridized. Let's make first ground state electronic configuration of carbon. GS stands for ground state. Its electronic configuration would be 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. There are 2 electrons in S. Also there are 2 electrons in P. I have told you previously, according to Hund's rule, when equal energy orbitals are available, electrons prefer to remain unpaired. That's why they are unpaired, not present in a single box like this. Since this one is an empty, that's why one electron will jump from 2s to 2p orbital. If it jumps, then there must be some excitation process. In excited state, there would be 2 electrons in 1s, 1 electron in 2s and 3 electrons in 2p. You can show like this, 1 and these are the 3 electrons. Due to hybridization, these 4 hybrid orbital will undergo hybridization process. They will make only sp2 hybridization. Students, you just ignore this much area and think about this 1 orbital of S and 2 orbitals of P. This one do not participate in the process of hybridization. You will get 1s2 and sorry, you just avoid this overwriting made by me. 1 1 and 1 sp2 sp2 sp2. There are 3 sp2 orbitals. Why 3? Because 3 are going to intermingle and they will produce 3 new degenerated orbitals of equal energy. And lastly, I have shown pz orbital of each carbon which remains unhybrid. It do not participate in the process of hybridization. So students, now you can finalize that how many orbitals are there around a single central atom of ethene. Single atom contains 3 hybrid orbitals. and one anhybrid orbital. Now I am going to draw the possible shape of ethene molecule. This one is one carbon, this one is another carbon. This carbon contains 3 hybrid and 1 anhybrid orbital. Students, hybrid orbital always is present on the plane. This one is the plane at which these 3 hybrid orbitals are there. There is one anhybrid along with each carbon. I'll make it at last. I'm drawing now with a different color. These are the 3 hybrid orbitals of this carbon. Look at this area. This is head-on-head overlapping between sp2 and sp2. It is a sigma bond. Now, what about these 4 corners? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Each corner is making sigma bond along with 1s orbital of hydrogen. You may write 1s or you may write hydrogen. Focus on this type of overlapping. These 4 overlappings are same, that's why I made a same color. I use same color. Sigma bonds are 4. Sigma bond is 5th. 4 are alike and 5th one is different. Now make a good concept of this one pz orbital in this structure. Actually, this pz orbital will be perpendicular to the plane. Students, just look into the movement of my marker. It is out of the plane. There would be out of the plane. So half of the portion of pz would be out of the plane and half would be the into the plane. Similarly here. But it is very difficult for me to draw pz orbital in the space. For my convenience, I'm going to draw this with a different color. It is less wider or the less narrow than the hybrid one. Students, it's very interesting that you must know in this diagram that why this sp2 is more wider than this pz. It is pz, it is also pz because pz is anhybrid, which have less energy, which have less space. That's why I have tried to make it less wider than the hybrid one. It's time to join the shape now. Students, you just join these 2 corners with the opposite carbon. Look into the shape. This is your shape. It is trigonal. Also, you can have another trigonal shape by joining these 3 corners. The interesting information is now, what about these 2 pz orbitals? These are actually parallel. When parallel orbitals hybridize, they makes 1 pi bond. This one is pi bond. So it is all about the structure, hybrid orbital structure of ethene molecule. I'm going to write the description now. There is 1 sigma bond, this one, between sp2 and sp2. There is 1 pi bond, this one. 2 lines means 1 pi bond. It is between pz and pz. Shape is trigonal, planar, planar trigonal or trigonal plane or whatever you want to write, you may. Also there is a bond angle. Bond angle is actually that angle which lies between two bonds. It is 120. Why 120? Just have a quick look into a circle. If a circle is equally divided, then it makes angle of 120. Students, it's all about from my side in this video. I request you all to share my videos maximum with your friends on Facebook as well on WhatsApp. Also you may like and subscribe my channel on YouTube. Thank you very much.